Okay, simultaneous equations, part 2 for Year 10 Foundation. Here we've got a graph question. The graph of y equals 3 minus 2x, so we can see it better there, has been drawn on the grid. Complete the table of values for y equals 3x, take 2. One of the ways that I do this is I realise that where it's equal to 0, where x is 0, that is the same value as the constant. So that minus 2 and the negative 2 are the same. I then look at the coefficient of x, the number in front of x, and that tells me how the sequence goes up. So essentially from one term to the next, it goes up by 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And if I go back 3, I got negative 5. So you could substitute the values in. 3 times 1 is 3, take 2 is 1. But that's a system that I use. Then what I want to do is plot those points. So 0 minus 2 is all the way down here. Negative 1, negative 5 is down here. 1, 1 is just there. 2, 4 is there. And 3, 7 is there. So if I get my ruler out, remember it is, let's move this up a little bit. If I then get my ruler out, make sure it's through all my points, draw my line through there. Let's get rid of that. So I've now, and then when it says use the graphs to solve the simultaneous equations. Now, when you get a question like this, actually one of the easiest questions on the paper, because when you've got the simultaneous equations, you are literally looking for that point where they cross. So that basically solves both at the same point. So solving simultaneous equation is really finding where the lines cross. In this case, the value, as it's at coordinates 1, 1, x is the first one, y is the second coordinate. So the solution to this is x equals 1, y equals 1.